Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my IPSY Glam Bag for May. A little late, but better late than never. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, it's been a whirlwind today. I am trying to film a lot of these videos at the same time because I did get hit with everything at the same time. And I'm a little bit short on people with my day job. So, yeah, I've been a little bit, not on top of things with YouTube. So I know I haven't responded really good with you guys, but I'm thinking about you guys and I am reading everything, okay? And so please do have patience with me. But anyway, before I get going to opening this IPSY Glam Bag, I'm going to go ahead and do our empowerment for the day, which is our affirmation, right? And so I've been seeing really good affirmations the last couple of times, and I'm really excited about that. And so today, again, it's a weird color. And I did show you in my other video that I did do my nails again. There it is. And this is actually using my Orly in my summer collection. I used that. And so, yeah. Yep. And so what does this say? It says, I am intelligent and resourceful. Ooh, resourceful. I like that word. And I feel myself to be resourceful. I'm pretty resourceful. Nurses are. If we don't have something, we're going to make something up and we're going to use it. So, yeah. It's best to give us what you need, what we need. But otherwise, we're going to make stuff up. So anyway, so it says, I am intelligent and resourceful. And this is such an important thing to think about. Everybody is resourceful. And they just are resourceful in different ways, And so, yeah, this is something so simple to say. We overlook these things because they sound so simple, like everybody's resourceful. But really think about it. It's, you're special because your resourcefulness is not going to be the same as my resourcefulness. So not only are you resourceful, you are unique, okay? And so you should walk around saying, I'm unique and I'm resourceful. Yeah, and intelligent on top of that. So, yeah. And so, anyway, what does this say in the back? How have I shown my intelligence lately? And how did others react? And how did I feel in the response? Okay, so this is in response to relationship with others, right? And so it doesn't have to be. You could be pretty resourceful with yourself. You're creating something, doing something at work, at home. And so all of that will work. But also, how have I shown my intelligence lately? I don't overtly go out there to show people that I'm intelligent. I think that shows in a way that I carry myself on a day-to-day. And I think I said something about this in the other video is like, when you get angry about something, you don't go and throw F-bombs and, say bad words and things like that, because that doesn't make you look really intelligent. But really think about what you're saying, choosing your words wisely and communicating in a way that, regardless of how angry or how disappointed you are, that shows your intelligence, that you also have, the intelligence to calm down, step back, look at the bigger picture, take a deep breath, and deliver your message. So, that's how I think I handle myself to show my intelligence, but I don't go out there trying to show that I'm smart. I don't think that's what they're talking about here. And so, but, how do you handle things? And how do you, show people that you're intelligent without overtly saying, I'm a smart person? Because that's like, then you're like, no, you're an arrogant person, not a smart person. Okay, so yeah, so be careful with that. And so also, how did others react? And how did I feel in response? Well, again, other people's perceptions are their facts. How they perceive you is their facts, right? Even though it may not be a fact, but it's their fact. It's their truth, right? So it's really important how you carry yourself in front of people and how you react to how, they're delivering the message and whatever. And just because they're yelling at you, you don't need to yell back. You just sit there and you just, I understand, okay? And, tell me what other information I need to know and just really, deliver it back to them. Same thing. How do they react to your, how you act to them? So, yeah. Anyway, good card. Let me show you the back as well. So that way you can go ahead and screenshot it. Okay, alrighty, that's that. And so, like I was saying, I had a lot of things come in at the same time. Everything seems to be coming in so late for me, and I apologize for that. This is my IPSY Glam Bag. So I don't think I've got my, have I got my IPSY? Well, I don't know. Let's take a look and see what the theme is. Okay. Yeah, no, I don't think I've got my IPSY, yeah, my IPSY Glam Plus. No, I don't think so, because this is a nice bag, and I don't remember it. Okay, the bag, very cute. Says IPSY, and I love rose gold, you know that, and here it is. Okay, and I think I have an add-on here, and that is this little bento. It's called the Beauty Bento by Kaja. There it is, and I saw it and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna get that. That's so very cute. Let's see, where is my, again, I lost my magnifying glass. Okay, where'd it go? Hold on one second. Okay, and as you know, Kaja is made in Korea. And this is, I believe, eyeshadow trio. Yes, it is. It is an eyeshadow trio. And I thought it was kind of cute the way it was stacked up. So that's the reason why, as you see here. And let's see. Oops. Alrighty then. The little cover. So there it is. That's the first layer. Ooh, that's actually very pretty. Very shimmery. Ooh, I'm going to like that. And then there it goes again. You would think I would learn a lesson, right? So there's the second one. And this time I learned. Took a while. And here's the third one. You know what? Since I'm going to use this, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. And then this is the first one here. You know what? I'm going to use a brush to swatch and see what happens. Okay? Because I always like to see how it's going to swatch with the brush. As you can see, that's the first one. Okay? Oh, very shimmery. Very nice. And it's, okay, hold on one second. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. And because this is a cream part of it, you know what? I'll just go ahead and use my fingers for the rest. Okay. Ooh, very creamy. Yes, nice. And there it is. Okay. And let's see how that comes over. It's right there. Nice. And let's see for the third one. And this one is very shimmery. And this is more like a bronze. Oh, I like these colors. These are very natural colors. There it is. And I'll see if I can just go ahead and put that right there. Okay. There it is. Right there. Okay. Yeah, that's not bad. These are not bad. I'm happy with that. Okay, and I did order these as a add-on, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. And I did like it because it's look kind of natural, and that's something that's, you know, I would be able to wear like to work or something. So yeah, and I got this brush. I'll put it in the dirty brush pile. Okay, and next we have the bag. Here it is, and like I said, very cute. I love it. And what is it here? Okay, it is called Flower Power. Okay, there we go. And it says, we love moms. Oh, it must be because it was a Mother's Day month. And so, and here are the products inside. Okay, the first product I have here is Juliet Has a Gun. Lady Vengeance is the name of the perfume. And the brand is Juliet Has a Gun. And this is actually, but the company is by Nina Ricci's grandson, by the way. I'm going to see if I spray that. Okay. I'm going to have to let that sit. It's okay. It's a little bit mature, you know what I mean? And it's going to have to sit because it's just, yeah, it's not, I'm not crazy about it. Put it that way right now, the way it sits. But it might improve, so let's see. It says here, rich, sophisticated, and super addictive, this sensual perfume is about to be your new signature scent for date night and beyond. Patchouli gives it spicy feel, while notes of vanilla, rose, and bergamot add a delightfully warm and earthy touch. Tip, spritz this perfume on pulse points to experience the scent all day and all night. And the full size is 50 mils, and it's $100. Not my thing, guys. Yeah, I don't get the bergamot at all because I love things with bergamot. I don't even get the patchouli, to be honest. The patchouli usually comes across very heavy. I do get a hint of rose. But yeah, not my thing. Yeah, okay, but that's okay. You know, it doesn't have to be. So that's that. Okay, next in my bag is this. What is this? It's called the Skin & Co. Citrus Hand Cream. There it is. There it is. And let's read about that. Give your hands the TLC they deserve with this nourishing and yummy scented cream formulated with shea butter and sweet almond oil. It transforms dry, cracked skin without any greasiness. And the vibrant citrus scent, one whiff will transport you to the Mediterranean. Okay, and the 30 ml, which is the full-size one, is $12. You know what? I'm going to take off my rings here because I don't want it to set them to my... Oh, never mind. I was going to say I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it on there, but it actually has a seal on it. So I'll go ahead and put that in future giveaways because I do have a lot. I actually got one recently at another box, this one here. I'm going to use that. And so, yeah. And then the next thing in my box is this. What is that? Is that an eye cream? No, it's a lip mask. Oh, sleeping lip mask. Okay, the good thing is it doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, there it is. It's a lip mask. You put it on your lips before you go to bed, and I will go ahead and try it and see how that works out. You know what? Hold on. Even though I'm not going to bed. Oh, it is. Definitely not vanilla-y or nothing like that. But, ooh, you know what? This is actually good. There's no fragrance at all. But you notice how it goes on. And you see it's actually very, very moisturizing. It's one of those things that gets absorbed. You know what I mean? It's not one that sits on top that's waxy. This one actually gets absorbed. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Okay, well, what does it say about it? It says here, Looks in Me Cosmetic Infinite Sleeping Lip Mask. The last step in your PM skincare routine, a thick layer of this overnight lip mask eliminates dryness and chapping while you snooze with a blend of plant-based oils and butters. They lock in moisture and nutrients so you'll wake up softer, smoother lips, guaranteed. And the full size is 20 grams and it's $16, but I do believe that it will work. I can tell by the texture. The thing is, you have to be careful if you're not, you know, I sleep on my back. A lot of people sleep on their sides or on their stomach, and you might get it all over the pillow. But definitely, yeah, this is very nice. Yeah, I'm happy to have it. Okay, and next is the Sugar lip crayon. And it's by Sugar, and it's got cellophane around it. I'm not going to take it out because I won't be keeping it. So I'll go ahead and let's see, what is this? What does it say? Let's see. It's a matte as hell crayon lipstick. And this one is called 28 Honey Rider. And it's made in Germany. Where a lot of these lip pencils are made in Germany, by the way. So it says here, a pair of oversized sunglasses and swipe of this pinky plum lip crayon equals your 2-second spring and summer beauty look. It coats lips in intense color that stays fresh from your morning coffee to evening cocktails. And the matte texture, it never cracks, flakes, or dries out your lips. Promise. And so the full-size version of this product is 2.8 grams and it's $20.99. And I thought this would be full size, but I guess it's not. Okay. Well, it's still a decent size. Okay. So not bad. This is not bad. Okay. I will go ahead and put this over here so I can put it in my giveaways. In my future giveaways. And the last thing in here is the Eyeshadow Quad, I believe. Yep. And it's by, was it PYT. There it is. PYT. Okay. And these are the colors. Oops, hold on here. I can't get it open. Oh, is it sealed? I think it might be sealed or not. No, it's not. Okay, here it is. And here are the colors. And these are these type of quads. Very cute. I don't want to swatch it, guys, because I will be putting this in my future giveaways. So, yeah. And let's see. What does it say about it? Okay, it's called the Upcycle Eyeshadow. And it's a warm lit nude, and it's a mini. And let's see what it says. This is meet your new everyday, everywhere eyeshadow palette. These warm tone shadows will take you from day to night with ease. Each is formulated with nourishing vitamin E to keep the delicate skin of your lids hydrated, comfy, and soft. Plus, they're vegan and cruelty-free. And then the full-size one is actually $28. And this is actually a mini sample. And so, yep. And I will go ahead and slide this into the future giveaways, okay? And so, yeah, that's it, guys. And like I said, here's the bag. And there it is, okay? And so, yes, and that's it for today. And if you have any comments, and what did you get on yours? Did you get pretty much the same thing? And, share the information with us below. And so if I added any value today, please hit like. And if you're not subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing and hit that bell button and select all so you'll know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But regardless, just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.